Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can book your knowledge test online in Winnipeg. In order to do so, visit the Manitoba Public Insurance website and pay for the test and schedule your appointment. Visit mpi.mb.ca/testing-for-your-class-5-license, and you can find all the information here that you're looking for. You're going to have to pay for the test, schedule your appointment. You can schedule your appointment up to 60 days in advance, and be sure to bring your required ID and current valid driver's license if applicable to your appointment. The knowledge test fee is $10. So just head over to this site and you can go ahead and get started. And that is how you can book your knowledge test online in Winnipeg. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our Linktree, and there you'll find information on our upcoming Intro to AI webinars, as well as a discount code for Sintra AI and links to Cider and EnzoBot. Click on those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.